there. This is Harley Badger of Spats and Harley. Special video today of a dusty fan that sort of has a reputation. I got a Mistral Pyro Air. These are the fans that are infamous for spontaneous combustion, even when they're just plugged in and switched off, like this one is now. First of all, I got some good info from some good people, and like I said in the post, I'm going to acknowledge each one of them. So thank you to Andrew Block, Bo Mitchell, Steve Brazil, Christopher Harding, Michael Flatman, Brent Georgie, and Vincent Del Pizzo, because all of these people helped me get information on this fan. Now, Vincent mentioned that part of the fire issue was that the cabinet is made of non-fire retardant plastic. That is clearly true. I've never had my hands on one of these, but this right here, that's the type of hard plastic that you would associate with things like disposable cups. And it just, I can't explain it, it just feels flammable. I don't know, like a plastic spoon. That's the kind of texture this has. So it's very thin plastic. It feels like I'm going to break it just by picking it up. This handle has sharp edges. But I'm not here to beat up on this fan. I'm here to demonstrate it. Now, I have to put a disclaimer in here because this is 2019 and people have lost all their damn sense. But anyways, I'm trying this at home so that you don't have to. The purpose of the recall was for all of these to be destroyed, not resold or given away or whatnot. They said they didn't want you to just throw them away because someone may scrap or salvage them from a landfill. It's all right. From what I understand, about 20% of these destroyed themselves, so their owners didn't have to worry about that. Unfortunately, there were 2 fatalities, and they were both kids. So, very, very sad ending to a very, very sad situation. Apparently, the company knew about this and did nothing. So, all right, well, without further ado, this one has the, again, combustible slide switch. And again, it's a shame because it's such a nice fan, other than the dirt cheapness of the case and the explosive slide switch. So we're going to click it on, and then I'm going to slowly go up to high. So here's just barely on. It even has cool startup sounds. Damn. All right, we're going up. Dang, it's a shame because this thing puts out a crap ton of air. Jeez Louise. You hear that? I guess you turn it to stop it. I don't know. But I don't know. But anyway, it's turning. We're gonna go back down, and then I might get you one from the back. Let's put it on as low as it'll go. Okay. It's hard to tell what low as it'll go because it kind of just fades to off without a click. Well, that's as low as I was able to get it. And this is an Australian fan from an Australian company. I probably should have said that at the beginning. That's the government that was recalling these, not the U.S., it was Australia. I do not know the U.S.'s involvement in all that. Okay. I know most of you are going to want to see a startup from 0 to 60, so crank it up, f***ers. And spin down. Which isn't great. I know it's a plastic blade, but yeah, there we go. Now from behind. Okay, sorry for the awful lighting here. It is just the mark of the beast. Starting it up, 0 to 60, right up against the motor. Here we go. And off. Now I'm going to slowly start it up from back here so you can hear the startup sound. Slowly ramping up the speed. And that's full blast. Luke, I am your father. Off. All right. There you go. And yes, the cord also. Someone made a very good point about the cord being too thin. It really is. This is too thin for a lamp. I don't know the gauge of this cord, but I have a feeling I will shortly. And, my first guess is 22 gauge. We'll see you in the next video. Make sure to click subscribe if you haven't already. A like would be appreciated. Make sure you have those notifications on so that you can tell when we upload new content and be one of the first to see it. Have a great night. See ya.